You can't get me back. Go suck spice pussy and that you forgot do. And stop follow me up. All of your flying monkey them waiting at the airport, all of them can go suck out them woman. Hey, you come suck me. Oh, yeah, my mad. The maddest life. You don't know what you yourself. The airport. All the ugly beach out face one day. I don't know if you have a monkey to blood clot. Well, I don't need to stop bleach and love on the skin color. Browning, flying monkey, call Andrew for me. Call Andrew. Don't worry about me. I fuck the owner for Digital. That's why I have credit every day.
Fresh
I fuck
drop.
the owner for Digital. That's why I have credit every day. Because suck on the woman and stop questioning. Don't worry.
Constable Boaz is the name from Norman.
Boaz from where? Hold on.
The police station. Alright, so I'm aware that you don't have a ticket.
So where you carry me? You carry me at the police station?
No, I'm not taking you in the police station.
Where you want me for do?
Under the airport regulation,
Yeah.
it's an arrestable offense for you to be here.
Also, you want that clock say for me?
No,
Nah, get back my pussy. Chase from Stony Hill, where PNP, nah, get back my pussy. Kartel, nah, get back my pussy. And that's what me want to go ride off.
Everything you say will be taken down in writing and used against you.
Use against me in court. Use against me in court. Oh, I'm to that big idiot police boy. Yeah.
Thank you.
I want to that big idiot. So where you walk? Go on now where you walk beside me for.
I'm going to charge you.
Put the handcuff on me then now.
No, you can't charge her. No.
Put the handcuff on me then.
No, at least I did.
2 hours later.
Vibes and insight with Nando with the latest news. Vibes and insight with Nando with the big bad reviews. Vibes and insight with Nando. Yo, kick it off. Yo, make sure you like and subscribe to Vibes and Insight with Nando channel. And make sure you hit that post notification bell. You know it go, man. Careful. I'm out.
People come look here, man. You don't see what really are going, man. You don't know Sister Lisa Hype really a lose it out here, man. Oh, no for say she no, oh, no for say she seeing. This young one you not seeing a bumbo clip, man. Jaja God, Lisa Hype, come down. No. Yo, Lisa Hype a spiral out of control like Vibes Kartel song. Up and down spiral out of control. Right now, speak Lisa Hype in the media. I go on with a bag of thing. Yo, Lisa Hype are the artist mad for February, bro. Nobody not like Lisa Hype in the media right now. And trust me, people. Lisa Hype are going with a bag of thing. I may have some clippings where I go show them. And then we're going to jump in it and talk about it. You know how I go already, man. Have Vibes and Insight with another one. You see me? Mad, let's go and hear Lisa Hype. Really happy because Jano star. Lisa Hype hot like 10 fireside. And trust me, people. Lisa Hype mad, you know? Lisa Hype literally mad. Hello, session mad. This young one is mad to blood cleat.
You married to see them, and you're there on video with Sher, Rennie and Shana. You just see crosses, man. Your crosses, you not no value no more, hombre. You do it for hurt me and yourself, you hurt, because me not care about you. I know Dexter do that. It's not blood clot Dexter do that. You know see Dexter do them something the only time you see Dexter wine with girl and pan girl when him a perform and I make him 80,000 US and 100,000 US. And me is $1 million US them a for go start pay for see him now. When me drop that video, they a fuck him for true and him a come in and my blood clot face.
People no see Kartel and Dexter that a mad Lisa Hype. Uno no see Kartel and Dexter that a mad Lisa Hype. Lisa Hype gone the wrong way, Jaja. Lisa Hype a mad out like diamond to blood clean. If who know diamond, but Lisa Hype a mad out. And Kartel and Dexter that a mad Lisa Hype. All of this back confrontation over the media leading up to she being arrested. Lisa Hype got the airport without ticket for go on flight. Not one ticket she have, and she go board flight for go foreign. And now no ticket, and she not mad.
I'm not going to feel like I want to add him. I don't want to add a blood clot Dexter that's mad me. A Dexter that's my mad me. I know Adi, una get it wrong and me keep on telling you over and over. A Dexter that's a mad me, not Adi. A Dexter. Good cocky Dexter. Good cocky Dexter mad me.
See, I could tell. I had the idea of Dexter that madam. I been a said this. Dexter that have that be your head away. Bro, me don't know if it's true or a lie, but it seemed like she and Dexter that pop something. Cause it can't be unreal where she just has to say something and it's not real. So I must Dexter that mother, bro. Cause Chacha. Woman says she not like Kartel. She said she don't rate Kartel no more. She said fuck Gaza.
Nice, sir.
Constable Boaz is the name from Norman.
Boaz from where? Hold on.
Norman, the police station.
Hold up. How way man just say I'm last name? Constable Boaz? Brother, go ask your father how him get the last name there. Why him family get for choose the last name there for name the whole generation? Brother, the whole family name Boaz. People know you my last name Constable Boaz. Till Lisa help officer Constable what? Lisa help me say same thing to Jaja. Constable Boaz, bro.
Alright, so I'm aware that you don't have a ticket.
So where you carry me? You carry me at the police station?
No, I'm not taking you in the police station.
Where you want me for do?
Under the airport regulation,
Yeah.
it's an arrestable offense for you to be here.
Oh, so what me have to do? Come out of the airport?
Thank you.
Okay. What you say your name again? What you say your name again?
I would have already informed you,
I
madam.
want to hear back your name. What you say? I not come out till you give me your name.
Lisa, I'm the dog. No one I say my name again. If the way I repeat the boy's name. Yo, Jaja God. Yo, the man supposed to feel like, oh yeah, dog. Yo, if me no want the last name, the brother. Me no want the last name. The me that tell my papa say, hey, no give me your last name, cause me no want it. Constable Boaz, please report to the front desk.
And if I see this on any
Shut up
social
your
media
mouth.
platform,
Shut up your mouth. You
I'll
can't threaten
definitely
me.
be pressing charge.
Press charge and me a press back charge for own. Make me see it good. I better you lock me up here. Oh. It done the life already. You done the on social media. You can't.
To pussy clat. Nobody can get Lisa. I have to talk to you. Lisa, I've got the Andrew wellness, the Andrew badness. Bro, got badness with bumbo clat government badness. Chacha, Lisa, I've brought up the police by your people. People, Lisa, I've is a whole madhouse for a different level. Chacha, Lisa, I've what you? Lisa, I've come down no man. Bumbo cleat.
Press charge and me a press back charge for own. Make me see it good. I better you lock me up here. Oh. It done the life already. You done the on social media. You can't show me. One way you go. A superintendent live right across from me. Oh.
May I see your passport, please?
See who for passport. I'm a this year, man.
May I see your passport?
See who for passport. I'm a this year. Oh. Who for passport you want to see? You don't know who me is already. Big idiot police boy.
Daddy, Lisa hype. Me say if you come down now, you give yourself too much trouble out here, man. Me say Lisa hype. Go book in a one room Bellevue room, man. Come down now, cause you see your headpiece gone. Pan a different height. Lisa hype, come on, man.
You want that clock, Stephanie? Nah, get back my pussy. Chase from Stony Hill, where PNP, nah, get back my pussy. Kartel, nah, get back my pussy. And that's what would me want to go ride off. Hey, boy.
Will be taken down in writing and used against you.
Use against me in court. Use against me in court. Oh, I'm to that big idiot police boy. Yeah.
Thank you.
I want to that big idiot. So where you walk? Go on now where you walk beside me for.
Yeah, y'all say she not sick, but this lady is losing it. She's sick. She's on the road of explosion. She's about to explode. Cause Lisa, I've never seen you at this episode of your life. Even though you've been down this road before, but my God, Lisa I've never seen you down this road before. Lisa Hype is losing it, people. People wouldn't say Lisa Hype need to go back to Bellevue ASAP. I hope the police, when them arrest her, them bring her straight down to Bellevue Madhouse, because this lady losing it.
Put the handcuff on me then, no?
No, you can't charge her. No.
Put the handcuff on me then.
No, Lisa this. No.
Hold them here for me.
God, that's what she said.
Wait for Andy.
No,
Hold them here for me.
God, that's what she said. No,
See that?
don't go like this. No. Sir. Please. Hold on.
Yeah, man, if your husband come with us.
Gaza can go suck them mother.
Remember everything you say?
Gaza can go suck them mother.
Lisa, I mind the words them come out of your mouth, you know. Where you just say Gaza can go suck them mother? Man, Kartel send for you now, man. Lisa, you need to behave yourself out here because you're going on strong. And you know how the Gaza fans are. And you know how the Vibes Kartel is itself. Be careful of the things that you say out your mouth. Lisa, Hype, you know me I want you. You know how long me I want you. Come down now. You see it? Watch you now. Watch how you're going to make the police them lock you up now. See? Watch.
Fresh drop.
Don't touch me. You're not hold my hand already.
Fresh drop.
Lisa, I see how long me did I talk to you, you never want to hear. And look how you make reach, you know. All these time, right? In the media, 24/7, in and out. And you see where reach now, you get locked up. Now you're about to get charged for all of the foolery and the buffoonery you keep up. You don't make no sense. Why it call for? You don't call for nothing. And you see where you call for yourself now, lock up. One bag of badness back of that. Call Andrew Holness for save you now. Government badness. Call him for save you now. People, when me telling you say around 5 of Lisa Hype roam the earth, watch a video with Lisa Hype program of youth.
What kind of work you do? What kind of work you doing? What kind of work you do? What kind of work you work? Stop bleach your body, boy. What kind I want burn you with that cigarette in your face. What you gonna do? What you gonna do if me do it? What you gonna do if me do it? Go on your yard. What you gonna do if me do it? What you gonna do if me do it?
They know if you are charging.
Stop watch me, brother. And that me say flying batty boy monkey. Stop watch me. Suck on no mother.
But look on her. Good Lisa Hype. Gone again. Can you imagine, man? Lisa Hype. Good Lisa Hype. Gone again. Her mad pill. Her pill them. It can't like she lose her pill them. She now have her mad pill them. So she gone spiral again. People know already, you know. Make me know what to think about the whole of this with Lisa Hype, you know. You know, our Vibes and Inside with another one. Me gone.
Happy holiday to you and yours. I hope you have a memorable one, a peaceful one that's filled with joy, laughter, and love. Happy holidays, guys. Don't forget to give God thanks.